Happy Friday, everyone. Well, we're getting a nice warm up for today, but it's going to be short lived because another cold front arrives tonight and we're in for a big change in temperatures for Saturday. But let's focus on the positive for now, and that's the above normal temperatures that we're going to be seeing today. Typically, for the start of December in southern Wisconsin, we average high temperatures in the upper 30s today, averaging highs in the upper 40s. Now, some in the northeastern part of the area may get stuck in the mid 40s, but that said, some in the southwestern part of the area may reach the low 50s for highs. Not going to be a very pretty day, mostly cloudy skies, but no chance of rain during the day. One thing I do have to mention is it's probably not going to be feeling this warm because it is going to get windy this afternoon. Gusts are going to be around 35 miles per hour. So let's talk about Friday night, and yes, a chance of rain and eventually snow coming back, but certainly not going to be a washout of a night because I think the earliest we'll start to see a few rain showers pop up is about 8 o'clock this evening. And I do have to mention that temporarily winds are going to come down. So it'll just be breezy around 8 o'clock. Gusts are going to be around 20 miles per hour or so. And notice this is not the cold front just yet because look at our temperatures still in the mid to upper 40s, still above normal 8 o'clock this evening. But the cold front is going to be on our doorstep. So let's jump ahead 2 hours here. We're just going to kind of work through Friday night. 10 o'clock, we're still talking about isolated rain showers, with the exception being in the northwestern part of the area. Look at the isolated snow showers because this is the cold front pushing in. And the winds are going to be gradually increasing. By 10 o'clock, gusts are going to be around 25 miles per hour. Notice, though, still mid to upper 40s for most of us. But when we jump ahead to midnight, notice how those temperatures coming down in more and more locations. And along the front itself, it's probably going to be isolated snow showers coming down. So not everybody's seeing snow, but snow is going to be around. And the winds continuing to increase. By this point, winds are going to be gusting around 30 miles per hour. We jump ahead to 2 a.m. and there's the front over Racine and Kenosha, and the temperatures coming down in more locations. At this point, we're talking about gusts around 35 miles per hour. By the time we get to 4 a.m., the front is clear of us. Notice the temperature dropping in Racine, Kenosha, so the chance of rain, chance of snow going away. But this is when winds are going to be peaking. Behind the front, gusts around 40 miles per hour. So absolutely, we are talking about a significant wind chill factor. And then keep an eye on these temperatures. So this is 4 a.m. Saturday morning. Now I'm going to show you the temperatures we're expecting Saturday afternoon. And actually, Saturday afternoon in Racine, Kenosha, going to be colder than what we're going to be seeing at 4 a.m. Saturday morning. So temperatures basically just flatline. So this is what we're expecting for Saturday afternoon. We're going to have sunny skies, but look at this. Most of us only seeing highs in the mid to upper 20s, and some might get stuck in the low 20s. Baraboo, Portage, Beaver Dam. And though the winds are going to be gradually decreasing as we go through the day Saturday, so the windiest conditions are going to be in the morning, even in the early afternoon, we're looking at those gusts 30, 35 miles per hour. So when we see these temperatures in the early afternoon Saturday, our high temperatures, look what it's going to be feeling like when you factor in the wind. It's only going to be feeling like the low to mid-teens in most locations, no warmer than 18 in Kenosha. So this is what you need to be prepared for Saturday afternoon. So what about Saturday night? Can we get rid of the wind, right? Well, we'll just call it a light breeze for Saturday night, but wind's still in that 10 to 15 mile per hour range. And so when we hit these low temperatures Saturday night, which are already cold enough, mid to upper teens around 20 near the lake, look what it's going to be feeling like. Very late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Single digits in most spots, not feeling any warmer than 10 degrees. The good news for Sunday is it's back to normal high temperatures for this time of year. So some, I think, will actually make it into the low 40s, others upper 30s. Sunny skies, but still breezy. We're looking at improvement versus Saturday, but gusts still reaching around 25 miles per hour, so there is still going to be a wind chill factor. Feels like temperatures for Sunday afternoon are going to be in the mid to upper 20s.